Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th Edition, Chapter 1, Primes, Highest Common Factor and Lowest Common Multiple, Exercise 1B, Question number 3 to 4, Intermediate Level. Question number 3. Find the largest whole number which is a factor of both 42 and 98. By the prime factorization of 98, factors of 98 are 2, 7, and 7. For highest common factor, write all numbers in product form that are common in factors of both numbers. Factors of 42 are 2, 3, and 7. And factors of 98 are 2, 7, and 7. Common factors of 42 and 98 are 2 and 7. To calculate HCF, we have to multiply these common factors as shown. Therefore, the largest whole number that is a factor of both 42 and 98 is their highest common factor, that is 14. Question number 4. The numbers 792 and 990, written as the products of their prime factors, are 792 equals 2 exponent 3 multiplied by 3 exponent 2 multiplied by 11, and 990 equals 2 multiplied by 3 exponent 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Hence find the greatest whole number that will divide both 729 and 990 exactly. In order to find the greatest whole number that divide both of the given number, we have to calculate highest common factor of both numbers. Since in this problem prime factorization is already done, and we have factors of 792 and 990 in index notation form, so just write them in product form, and calculate their highest common factor. Factors of 792 are 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, and 11. And factors of 990 are 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, and 11. And the common factors of 792 and 990 are 2, 3, 3, and 11. For highest common factor, we have to multiply all common factors of 792 and 990 as shown, so the highest common factor of 792 and 990 is 198. Therefore, the largest whole number that divides 792 and 990 exactly is 198. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.